Thawing crab legs, a quick and easy guide.
Hello, seafood enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a question that often surfaces when preparing a decadent seafood feast. How long do I need to thaw crab legs before cooking? Knowing how to properly thaw your crab legs is key to preserving their delicate texture and delicious taste. Let's get started.
Why thawing crab legs properly is important.
Thawing crab legs properly is essential to ensure they cook evenly, retain their natural juices, and maintain their delicate texture. If crab legs are not properly thawed, they can become rubbery or tough. A slow, gentle thaw preserves the quality of the meat and leads to a more satisfying dining experience.
How long does it take to thaw crab legs?
The thawing time depends on the method you choose. The best method for thawing crab legs is in the refrigerator, as it allows for a gentle and even defrost. This method usually takes 8 to 12 hours, so you'll need to plan ahead. To thaw in the refrigerator, place the crab legs in a large bowl or on a plate to catch any drips, then cover and leave them overnight. By the time you're ready to cook the next day, they should be fully thawed. If you're in a bit of a hurry, you can also use the cold water thawing method. Submerge your crab legs in cold water, changing the water every 30 minutes to keep it cold. This should take around 1 to 2 hours to fully thaw your crab legs. Remember, never use hot water or a microwave to thaw crab legs. These methods can partially cook the crab, leading to uneven cooking and a potential loss of flavor and texture.
How to tell if the crab legs are thawed.
To ensure your crab legs are ready for cooking, you need to check if they're thoroughly thawed. You can do this by flexing the joint. If it bends easily, your crab legs are thawed and ready to cook. If there's resistance, they may need more time to thaw. That wraps up our guide to thawing crab legs. We hope that this information helps you better understand the importance of properly thawing crab legs and the methods to do so. Remember, patience is key to achieving the best results. Happy cooking, and enjoy your succulent crab feast.